Even an ordinary sneeze can turn into a disaster. Don't worry, we are here to help. You can read from your phone in any light. But for a book, you need some help. The lamp isn't working. Weird. It keeps turning off. Must be something wrong with the light bulb. Oops! That was a mistake. It's a good thing Barbara's there to save her friend and to unplug Candace. She's using an umbrella instead of her hands. Now she needs to help her friend wake up. Call an ambulance. Just make sure not to panic. Being outdoors has one drawback. Mosquitoes! They are biting me! It's so itchy! A banana peel will soothe the bite. Just rub the affected area. And no more itching! Kids love candy, but sometimes they are in such a hurry to eat more. Oh no! He choked! That's very dangerous! You need to know exactly what to do in this situation. You are going to need the help of a second adult. Take the kid by the arms and legs and turn him upside down. Shake him a little. The candy is out. Yay! Everyone's safe! Barbara's going on a date. Oh no! Something got in my eye! What could it be? Ah! It's an eyelash! How do you get rid of it? It's so uncomfortable! Should I take out the eyelash with my tongue? No, let's not do that. You just have to rub your eyelid towards your nose. And then pull out the eyelash with a Q-tip. Like this. And the eyelash is out. It's so nice to wear sandals in summer. Except new sandals can be a real challenge. Oh no! It chafed my heel and it's bleeding! Okay, good thing there's some aloe over here. Tear off a stem. And rub the hurt area with the juice. Aloe juice will relieve the inflammation and you'll soon forget about your injuries.
Wow!
Sometimes a car ride becomes a challenge for a passenger who is getting car sick. So, Barbara is feeling pretty sick. You should stop first. Now here's what you should do. Take a cold can of soda, place it in the bend of your left elbow, and hold it tight, and prepare a bag just in case. Well, you never know. But it won't come in handy, because your nausea magically disappears. When a child is in pain, you can immediately tell. Oh, it's your ear! It's so painful and unpleasant. Try this life hack. Boil an egg, and while it's still warm, put it on the ear and attach it with a hairband. Now the kid has to sleep. And in the morning, the ear pain will be totally gone. Now you can look at pictures and forget about everything else. Oh no! Leg cramp! Oh! Candace suggests a weird but effective method. You can wake your leg back up with a brush, a dog brush. Gently move it over your leg. And bananas are also good for cramps. They help with potassium deficiency. Okay, all gone. A toothache is another unpleasant situation. Oh, I'm done with sugar. But Candace has an effective cure. Take a bag of green tea that's already been brewed. Squeeze out the extra water like this. And put it on your hurt tooth. After a while, the pain should go away. That's much better. Falling off a skateboard can hurt.
Ow.
A scraped knee isn't the worst injury ever, but it's still painful. Barbara is here to help. A tampon? I wonder how it'll help. Take the package off the tampon, turn it inside out like this, and put it on the scraped area. You can tie the bandage with a shoelace. Now the wound is protected. And you can go home to clean it properly. What's wrong with Barbara? Is she sick too? Oh no, it's just that time of the month. To make things easier, she tries everything. Soda, chocolate, chips. But nothing helps. Maybe Candace knows what to do. Of course! First of all, you need to get rid of all this junk food and replace it with fruit. And a hot water bottle will help with the pain. By the way, dark chocolate is much healthier than milk chocolate. I think it's getting better. It's so nice to have some hot tea. Just don't rush or you'll get burned. Ouch! My tongue! Oh, that was bad! I don't think it'll ever stop hurting. A lollipop? That's unexpected. Take the wrapper off and run the lollipop over your burned tongue. What is this magic? It doesn't hurt at all now. Don't thank me. Just remember this life hack. It can happen to anyone. A picnic outdoors is great, but you have to prepare for all kinds of surprises, like a splinter on your foot. You'll need some Elmer's glue to get it out. Apply it to your skin. Blow a little to make it dry up faster. Now remove the glue along with the splinter. And no more pain! But Kylie seems to have a bigger problem. A fever! Oh no, that's unacceptable! Candace has a life hack. Peel a ginger root and slice it. Put the slices at the bottom of a big mug. Add some honey. And now, pour a can of Coke into the mug. Mix it. And let Kylie drink it. Oh, it's a miracle! Her temperature's down. Oh, look at my bruise! Yeah, it's stunning. Do you know how much it hurts? I can't even touch it, but Barbara knows what to do. You have to use soap. Put some suds on the bruise. Leave it for a while. Now gently remove the soap with a cotton pad. The soap removes inflammation and helps with bruises. Magic! Sometimes you get a runny nose at the most unexpected moment. And it ruins your day. Well, what can you do? Here's what. Take an ice cube and put it in your mouth. Don't swallow it. Look, your nose is getting less runny. I wish I knew this life hack before. A burn from a hot iron hurts so bad. Ouch! That really hurts! Okay, don't panic. Here's what will help you. Always keep it at home, just in case. Take a sponge, soak it with water. Put it in a freezer bag and put it in the freezer. If you apply a frozen sponge to the burn, the pain will go away very quickly. Phew, that's better. Okay, you just relax and I'll finish ironing. Oh no, I have the hiccups. This is so excruciating. But fortunately, Candace knows how to help. You need to hold your breath for as long as possible. Is that not helping? Then do it while holding your hands together in the front. Wow, these hiccups are strong. They're not so easy to get rid of. Okay, you'll have to use Acrobatic Powers. Take this pose. It'll help you get rid of your hiccups. Hold your breath for a while. If that's not enough, take a chair. Now you need to lean on it, like Barbara. Looks like it's gone. No! Well then, let's go to the kitchen. Get a glass of water. Now drink it. Oh no, it seems like a mission impossible. What's this? Now Candace has the hiccups. I think this is going to take a while. Knowing how to give first aid is very important. And now you know what to do. Or do you have your own proven ideas and tricks? Share them in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos with all sorts of advice on Troom Select.